Welcome to my video channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create some nice icons like this which resemble the Reddit icons just by using some XML. If you go to my blog, you can see this is a screenshot I've taken of a Reddit app, and you can see we've got these icons here. Okay, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to do these, and at the end of it we will have something like this. Looks very similar. You can make minor adjustments to this. In this blog, so that's a close-up of what we'll be doing, and in the blog it tells you step by step how to actually build this, which is this one here. And if you go to my GitHub, you can actually download the actual source code itself. So just getting started with this, we will start by putting the colors. As you can see, they have their own colors. So we go to our colors XML file. You can see I've put orange 500, blue 700, green, and these are the material design colors, which is these here. So for one of them was orange 500. This one here, this is another one I've used for the percent orange 500, and I've done the same for blue 700, green, and this one here, which is teal 600. And these are the colors that you need. However, you can adjust this yourself if you want. Now, they're the colors. Now we have to make the actual shapes themselves. So just looking at the first, this one here, which is a round circle with this shape relief, and we do this by looking, just get the one here, and so this is it here. This is the circle part of this, so you can see this is the circle. And the way I've done this, the shape is oval, the stroke is 2 dipsels, the color, which is comments, which is the blue, and I've done the size as well. So the size of this is 56 dipsels. So that is that shape there. The second shape, which is this one here. So now we've done this bit here. Now we're going to do this bit here, which is basically a rectangle shape with the radius being 10, and that's why we get this circle edge here, because we've made the radius 10. And to show you how this works, this is the corners. If I was to put that to 1, you can see we've got corners here, and the higher it is, the more rounded it will be. So now we have this nice round shape which resembles this one here. And I've done this for percentage as well. If you look at percentage, it's all the same basically. There's the circle there. Same idea, just different colors. For these reply and the best, that is just a simple circle. That's all we need for this one. And for this one here, this is just a simple circle as well. And we need these icons here. You can see I've got some icons here. This is playlist, and this one is reply. and we can get them here. So I think if you do a search, I think it's reply. You can see this is the one I've used here, and the other one I've used, I can't remember the name of it, but you can find it down here somewhere. Google's always adding new icons to this, and the way you do it, you just select one that you want, and then you decide what size and what color. Then you just download the PNGs, unzip it, and then just copy it into your resource folder, which is this resource folder here. Okay, now that we've got that taken care of, we need to create a new layout. For each one of these will be a new layout. So let's go to the first one, which is percent. And this is our percent layout. And the way we do this is very simple. We just use a simple frame layout. We wrap the content, then all we do is use two text views. The reason we use text views because we actually need to have some text inside. For this one 70, this one percent. So basically all we do is we set the background to our circle, which was a circle like it. See if I can find it. This one here. Okay. There. This is our shape. And let me go back again. And then for the second shape, so for gravity, we want to display the text top center for gravity for this one. And for this one here, the layout gravity we're going to have at the bottom. So this one here will display this image at the bottom. And just to show how that works, if I was to do top, it will put it at the top. This is because we're using frame layout, but where we just want to put it on the bottom like this, so we can position it where we want. This is our background shape, and the gravity is center, so the percent, if I just zoom in, our percent is in the center like it is there. This is the same as what we do for, I think it's this one here, which is the same. Basically it's just the same, but using different drawable shapes like we've got here, and we just have a different text, but basically that's just the same, and we have our text in. Now the only difference is these two here, and this is very simple. We don't have to do too much for these ones. So if we go to reply, all it is just one single image, which is this one here. We set the background to the actual circle, which will make this green. We set the source to the icon, which is what you saw, this one here. And then we do the scale type to center inside, so that it will center inside like it is here. And if we go back to the blog, you can see it's very much identical to this one here. Now going back to the source code, when we go to this one here, which is the best, it's the same thing again, but we're using this circle image to get this shape. We set the source to the icon, which is this one here, and then we set the scale type to center inside, so we'll center inside, and then we get this. So when we look at, it's very much identical. The reason I chose this one because I couldn't find that one in the Google icons, which was here. I couldn't find it, but maybe they've added it now, maybe it's there, but that was the closest I got. But you're free to choose whatever ones you want. And the final touch is, because we've created individual layouts for each icon, it makes it very easy to put these where we want to put them. So if we go down to our main activity layout, all I've done is I've just included them where I want, and I've just used a space just to create some separation. So it's very much like you see here. Obviously you don't have to do like that. I did like that so you could actually see them side by side, but you can actually put these anywhere you want them. Basically, these are just layouts that you just include, and it makes your app more scalable, maintainable, because you just, if you want to make some adjustments to this, then everywhere you've included it, it will get those changes. And this is how you can create some very nice icons just by using some simple drawable layouts, and you can get something like this. So it's a very easy design just to do something like this. And that's it for this lesson. So I hope that you like this lesson. If you do, please click like, and thank you for watching.